Hello, and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Dave Levy, and I'm a lead developer based in the Atlanta, Georgia area. In this session, I'll show you some of the new features introduced in version 7.4 of AutoOPERATOR. So let's get started. The first feature I want to show you is the new Health Checker. As you can see, when displayed in MainView Explorer, the view is shown as a dashboard of gauges. This view appears as the default view when you navigate to any AutoOPERATOR 7.4 context. It can also be displayed by selecting the Health view in the Stats folder. The view allows you to easily monitor key metrics in the AutoOPERATOR paths. An alarm can be set on any metric to warn you of trouble. An alarm can be created from the Health view by right-clicking on the desired metric and choosing the Create Alarm item in the pop-up menu. This view shows real-time data, but there is also an historical version. The historical view uses data collected by the Automation Reporter feature of AutoOPERATOR. The view, named AR Health, uses summarized data to show averages and high water marks over a specified period of time. If desired, as an example, a metric can be plotted on a line chart to show trends over time. This could be useful to identify a growth trend that may need to be addressed to prevent an outage. Like the real-time view, the historical view can also have alarms set to monitor trends. The Automation Reporter feature has been enhanced in a number of ways. It is now possible to activate individual Automation Reporter collectors. This will allow you to collect historical data for only those categories of data that are of interest to you, and will reduce the resource usage to the minimum needed. As seen in this example, using Dynamic Parameter Manager, you can add or delete the collector acronyms from the list to tailor it to your needs. Changes can then be dynamically activated in the running AutoOPERATOR paths by having DPM activate the corresponding BBPARM member. There is a new BBI command, Display AR, that will show you what collectors are currently active in the AutoOPERATOR paths. Here we see the AREXECS view. It has been enhanced with a new field that shows the total number of times an exec had to wait on a queue to be executed after it was scheduled. The value is shown for each collection interval, which allows you to do trending with the historical data. This could be useful in identifying times of the day when there is a bottleneck in exec-based automation that may need attention. For AutoOPERATOR for IMS, you can now track users that issue IMS Plex commands from AutoOPERATOR for IMS. This improves maintenance and audit support of IMS commands, as well as improving user-level security. There is also a new option to have the TSO user ID displayed as the origin of IMS DB control commands in the journal when such commands are issued manually. This improves maintenance and audit support of IMS DB control commands. AutoOPERATOR for IMS has a new rule event type of IMP to capture all IMS OM input type 2 commands. This event type provides the ability to do automation on the command before it is processed by IMS. Now you have the ability to display, reword, or reject IMS type 2 commands before they are processed by IMS. To define a rule with the new event type, you use the new IMP event type on the Rules Processor Detail Control panel. The Selection Criteria panel allows you to filter the commands so only those of interest will have one or more automated actions taken. And finally, this is a sample of some of the automation provided natively by the rule. You can, of course, extend this by having the rule schedule a custom in-house AREXECS. The Shared Object Facility now has a built-in array editor. Prior to this, arrays had to be created, populated, and edited strictly with an exec using IMFExec array commands. With the new online editor, this can be done interactively when appropriate. To use the new editor, you use the Shared Object view as shown here. You can either select the array you want to edit using an S-line command, or you can put your cursor on the array name and press Enter to use the hyperlink. The editor provides a full spectrum of commands ranging from row add, edit, browse, and delete, as well as insert and repeat. To see all the available commands, use the Show Actions primary command. This is an example of the dialog that would dynamically show the context of a selected row so it could be edited. Notice how the actual array column names are used to make it easy to know what is being changed. Here are a few other general enhancements. AutoOperator version 7.4 provides basic support for the new IBM Z-Aware appliance by reporting Z-Aware information about how many messages were flagged as anomalous. For AutoOperator for CICS, all the transient data exits provided by AutoOperator for CICS are now CICS thread safe. This is a requirement to run on CICS Transaction Server 5.1 and higher. For execs, the BBI cancel command has been updated with an option to cancel currently queued execs, that is, those execs that have been scheduled but are not yet executing. This could, for example, allow you to delete a backlog of execs without affecting the currently running execs. Lastly, a quick word about BIS version 1.6. Starting with version 1.8 of IBM's RACF product, passphrases were expanded from 14 characters to 100 characters. BIS 1.6 has been enhanced to allow you to use passphrases up to the maximum supported by RACF. Thank you for your time. For more information on any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.